Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? How is your day and how are you doing? Okay guys, so in today's video I am pleased to show you a very effective remedy that would actually help you to remove those dark knuckles. Okay, now see, the thing is that truthfully some of we ladies actually use cream that actually don't match our skin, and since it does not match, it actually kill the skin on the knuckle areas and actually make your knuckle look really dark. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a natural skin scrubbing agent that will actually help you to remove all of those dead skin cells on your knuckles, leave your knuckles really evenly, like it's gonna be the same color like your skin, okay, just like mine. All right, so this is gonna be very helpful and I'm gonna be telling you how you're gonna be using it. Now you have to follow it, okay, because this natural ingredients is not miracle, but you have to follow it just like you judiciously use some of your beauty products. Okay, let me take you right into this video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and let's go. Alright, so are you actually suffering from those dark knuckles, or you've actually gone to bleach up your skin, or maybe use a particular cream that doesn't go well with your skin, and your skin is actually looking coke and fanta, and your knuckles are not even with your skin? I have a solution for you, and this is one of the ingredients that would help you to remove those darkness on your skin, on your knuckle basically, okay, and it would actually help you to even out your hands, making your hands look really uniform. So that's actually just the aim for this particular video. You're gonna be needing lemon, and you guys know lemon is citric in nature, that's if you don't know, and as such it contains vitamin E, and more especially vitamin C. Now this vitamin C helps you to lighten up your skin. It makes your skin stay healthy, it makes your skin stay even, and it makes your skin stay glowing. Okay, so I'm gonna be squeezing in just half cut of this lemon, because obviously I don't need too much of this lemon, yeah, because we're actually working on just the knuckles anyways. So you can actually make this and store it if you want, if you must store it. Now after that is done, you're also going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is a great ingredient when it comes to scrubbing out dead skin cells on the skin. Now, do you know that those things that are left on your knuckles, that's actually making your knuckle look dry, fracky, and dark, more especially, are accumulated dead skin cells? So maybe the cream you've actually used have killed the cells on those places, therefore making it look really dark and uneven. So let's use baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda, alongside with other ingredients to scrub out those dead skin cells that are at your knuckle area. So what we're going to do is that you're going to be grabbing about 1 tablespoon of baking soda, put it into your squeezed out lemon juice, stir it all up, and then the foaminess will come out. Now take note, when you don't see any foaminess when you mix these two ingredients together, know that it will not work. Maybe it is not original, or maybe you have not gotten the original product. So just go get your original product and mix it up, and then this ingredient will work very well. So after that is done, you're gonna be needing to use rice powder. Now rice powder has been used anciently for so many beauty ingredients. It helps to keep your skin healthy, and it helps to lighten up your skin basically. Now when it helps to remove those dead skin cells, it therefore makes your skin look lighter and look really smooth also. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting about 1 tablespoon of this rice powder into this ingredient. Now if you don't have, if you're wondering how you're going to get your rice powder, alright guys, so this is how it's looking like. So what you do is that the very first thing you do is to apply this on your knuckle area. Alright, so just like this, you can equally apply it onto this other one, because all of them are knuckles, and in case it's dark you apply it there. Okay, you have to apply it onto the knuckles on your right side. Very important. Okay, most people, the knuckles on their right side is usually darker than the knuckles on their left hands. Alright, so after which you've applied like this, you have to leave it for at least a little while, for like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let it soften your knuckles, after which it has softened your knuckles, then you can start scrubbing it like that. Scrub everywhere, scrub your knuckle area thoroughly. Don't scrub it too much so that you don't bruise your skin. You don't scrub it too much so you don't bruise your skin. Alright, so I recommend you do it this way. You just scrub everything just like this. Okay, so when you're done scrubbing, then you have to leave it for a little while. Yeah, now you would have to repeat this treatment every morning and evening. You scrub your hands, your dark knuckles, with just knuckle treatment. Okay, and that is actually going to help you a whole lot in removing your dark knuckles and leaving your hands really fresh, even, and soft also. So that's it guys. Now if you must retain your results for your dark knuckles, you would have to at least stay away from all of those bad cream that you use some organic cream on, and then use some very good cream that would actually help you to polish up your skin and tone you evenly. Even if you want to tone up, you can actually tone up evenly and all of your skin will actually be the same color. So that's it guys. I will see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, give this video a try. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Give me a thumbs up guys, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.